So this is the backside of US 129, Tail of the Dragon. We just turned off of Tennessee 72. Unfortunately, we got behind 3 lawnmowers and a Toyota. You know you don't ride fast when your passenger can sit on the back and hold a cell phone and shoot video. And then why would you want to watch it later? If you're already not going the speed limit, why would you want to watch that video? It's pretty bad when a Toyota 4Runner has left the Harleys. The Harleys that we passed are not even close behind us any longer. But when you hear people talk about going over Tail of the Dragon and they're running along the lake, so this is one of the lakes here. This is on the low side of the dam. We'll pass the dam in a couple minutes. Here's one of the Smoky Mountain Harley-Davidson stores. I'm pretty sure those 3 Harleys will pull off and go there, because you got to get your gear. So there's the Chilhowie Dam right there. Can't really see it with all the trees in the way, but here it is. And this would be the upper lake. It is a beautiful ride through here in the morning. In case you're wondering, it is 9:45. Traffic's still not that bad at 9:45. It does pick up once the Turons get up, leave their hotels. They'll start blockading this road with their Mustangs and their Miatas. If we're lucky, maybe we won't meet any law enforcement today. That's if. This is a Labor Day weekend with the Tirahela Skyway closed. I would expect them to drop all their resources onto this road and quite possibly the Foothills Parkway. Here's the entrance to the Foothills Parkway. Happy Valley Road. This is another good road that has some nice twisties on it. I love the Foothills Parkway. We did that a couple weeks ago. Foothills Parkway will take you all the way up into Pigeon Forge. So if you want a decent ride and then end up somewhere where there's some decent restaurants, that's a good ride. For us, we'll take it every now and then when we want to get out of Murphy, North Carolina. Look at all these fools.